I don't think I can do it right now. I probably could. You can't even see the SI. Miata. So. Life gen. Where's the helicopter? That thing's loud. That's a GT. It's got open tires. Get in the water when the cops come. He needs a line locker. Because, I mean, this is private property. This is private property, though.
Tyler, he said you should totally move your truck. Yeah. I moved it back. He said it's an insurance claim.
Yeah, insurance claim. We'll get you a 6.7. We'll get you a 6.7.
Hey, give me a fucking 6.7.
Yeah, 6.7. Move that truck. It's brake. Your brakes didn't want to do it. You got it. I don't even know it. Got Ashton's 240, Nico garage, and look at Kayla over here complaining. What if the cops come? Who said that? Taylor. Why you got your keys out, Carol?
I said less than 14 white ones.
You about to leave, aren't you?
I probably did on the fucking road. All I did.
They didn't like second. They didn't like second. That was first? Really? That was first. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, drop her at 5,000. Drop it at 5,000. No, I'm not telling you how to do it. Yeah, what'd you say? Damn. Miata, 9th gen, 8th gen. I put out the parts car. Mint. No hood.
Core support. So we gotta get a new core support. Well, he has it. He's got to put it in. And then turbo.
With the new wheels, it looks good. You said new turbo?
Yeah, he's new turbo. He's new turbo. Well, Kino's got his turbo too.
What's about to get? Like
45 minutes to pick it up. And
He just has to know the Walmart to pick it up. But, it's Mike or Noski.
Looks good. Oh, bro. I think it sounds good though. You got exhaust?
Watch it, pussy.
Do a pull. We think I just did it?
Ashley put it on there, but I don't know what the fuck it says. Something about alpaca.
Something about. Yeah, watch it. I see the video. You better help me ain't breaking. Oh, facts. Yeah, that's sweet. Oh! Oh, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with that. I like the yellow.
Headlights for the fucking pro.
Yellow are sick.
Yellow works because they offer me blue or the yellow. I like the yellow because the wrap has gold tint in it.
Yeah.
So I figured the yellow would go.
Yellow are sick, dude. Yeah. I probably only friend I got out of the Miata though, I'll tell you the truth. Oh what? Oh yeah, it was wrecked. You can see how the red. She was wrecked. I put a new core. I have a new core support for it, but I'm not gonna use it. This is a parts car. Yeah, she has no hood. You gotta make your clutch kick it. Ripping it. So, this is probably going to be an ender. Right now, I'm in an 85,000 mile Civic. That's my buddy Nico's shop. My buddy, what the fuck is his name? That's Nico and what's his name? I don't even know. I forgot his name. Yeah, but headed home on some shit. Yeah, so that's my buddy Nico, and then the other guy, what's his name? I know his name. I gotta get back to you guys about his name. But that's my buddy, you know, they're all cool. Good shop. This shop, I'm always invited anytime I want to go. Yeah, I mean, Nico's Burnout was the Mustang. The Miata was Josh. No, not Josh. The message in my phone, I'm gonna remember it, but it's hard. I feel bad for not remembering your name, but you're my guy. He has a lot of followers on TikTok. He's a good guy. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the end. It was a good night. I'll probably throw a couple more clips in it. You guys know, like, comment, subscribe. With my boys. And let's go ahead and rip this one. I'm putting some more clips into the SI, and then we'll good night. Fucking ripping that bitch. Ripper. Fucking ripping that shit, boy. Fucking rippers, but yeah. I don't remember his name, man. He's a good guy. I got C-Bond carbon trunk, C-Bond carbon hood, HFP kit, HFP front lip, rear lip, fender, all in this corner. You know what I'm saying? Let me go meet real quick so I show you my dig. So, back to the crib. Hopping on Fortnite. $2,500 laptop, goated. Stella's goated. Bella goated. It's gonna be in there. Yeah, so all right here I have all parts for the SI, my black one, and then I have 2 parts in that box and a box behind it for the SI titanium parts. Yeah, paint's on the way for the HFP kit, stickers, emblems all on the way for the black SI. We're gonna get it finished up. It's still at Honda, 6 months going on, 7 months going on now. We're gonna take care of. Red SI is waiting to get swapped. 85,000 parts car waiting to get swapped. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.